Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the distance formula. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are points on the number plane, then the distance between them is d equals x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. I'll explain what these mean when we do this example right now. So let's look at example 1. Find the distance between 2, 3 and 5, 7 on the number plane. If we let x1, y1 equals 2, 3, which is that point there, and we let x2, y2 equals 5, 7, which is that point there. So all we do, we just substitute these values straight into the equation. So x1 is 2, y1 is 3. x2 is 5 and y2 is 7. So just substitute straight in. And we get d equals the square root of 5 minus 2 all squared plus 7 minus 3 all squared. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 3 squared is 9. So that's where we get the 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So we have the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 9 plus 16. Add those two together and that gives you 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. So that is the distance between the points 2, 3 and 5, 7. Second example, find the distance between minus 5 minus 3 and 3 minus 9 on the number plane. So x1, y1 will be that point, which is this one, and x2, y2 is that point, which is that one. Substituting straight into the equation, d equals 3 minus negative 5 all squared plus negative 9 minus negative 3 all squared. See, x2 minus x1 is 3 minus negative 5. That's that part. And y2 minus y1 is minus 9 minus negative 3, which is that part. That gives us 3 minus minus 5, which is really 3 plus 5, which is 8. So that's why we have that. This is minus 9 minus minus 3, which is minus 9 plus 3, which is minus 6, which gives us that. If we square plus 8, we get 64. If we square negative 6, we get 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. So basically this formula, or this lesson, has introduced us to a very, very important and popular formula called the distance formula. And that enables us to find the distance between any two given points on the number plane.